Hello, welcome to Cricket Field. The first day of the World Test Championship final at Southampton in England was abandoned due to rain. Watch this video till the end. Like and share this video and do not forget to subscribe Cricket Field. Sachin Tendulkar says one has to respect overhead conditions. Sachin says that over the years he has noticed something that nobody speaks about. People normally talk about spinners not getting enough assistance from the pitch or say there is hardly any purchase of the surface. But Sachin feels that spinners are able to do a lot in the air if the ball is well maintained. If one side is shiny, it can be used to get grip. Sachin further says if an off spinner is bowling, he can take the ball away from the right hander in the air or change the position of the shiny side and try to get the ball to drift into the batsman, that is towards the middle and leg stump line. One doesn't always need to deceive someone off the pitch by getting more turn or bounce. Sometimes one can deceive them in the air also. One can also get the ball to drift away in the air and get the batsman caught behind or in the slip. Skillful spinner will always be able to do this. Sachin further says that cloudy and windy conditions can help Ashwin and Jadeja. In case the wind is blowing off to leg for right-hander batsman, Virat can bring Jadeja from that end where there is a chance to get a right-hander bowl or LBW. The captain can also bring out swing bowler from the other end. If left-hander is batting this end, Ashwin can come round the wicket and get the ball to drift in the air and try to beat the batsman. Sachin says that when there is cloud cover but no rain, the period is challenging because the ball doesn't get wet. This time, swing bowlers will do very good job. Indian bowling attack is as strong as Kiwi bowling attack, but Kiwi batting is not as strong as Indian batting. So Indians will get advantage in World Test Championship final. What's your opinion about this video? Write your opinion in the comment section. Stay safe, stay fit and enjoy World Test Championship final.